Hey guys, it's Patriot Gaming. And welcome to the first unboxing video on my channel. Today we're going to be looking at the Sentry True Wireless earbuds. I got these from Big Lots for $18. So since they were $18, I don't really have big expectations for them. Here's a 360 of the box. It gives a clear view of the earbuds and the charging case. Right here was a security sticker, and I tried to get it off as best as I could before I started the video. And one of the major things about these earbuds is they can have 4 hours per charge and 12 hours of total playtime. They have auto pairing technology. They have 12 hours, like I said. You can open the case and it'll sync to the device. You can charge earbuds at least twice. They have custom fit earbud or ear pads, as they call it. They have a built-in mic and control buttons, and they have a portable charging case with like all truly wireless earbuds. So here they are, the truly wireless or true wireless. They're Bluetooth wire-free earbuds. So let's get into it. I have my knife right here. If I don't cut the box, it's cutting the box instead of the tape. I don't think that cut it. Like I'm just gonna have to tear it open. There we go. So we open the box. Something else in it. Okay, there's the empty box. When you open the box, it comes in a clear plastic. This also fell out of the box, this metallic looking backdrop. We also got a French and English beginner's guide. We also have a quick start guide and user guide and warranty. Also comes with this cable. Comes with these ear things you put on it to adjust the size. They were just laying in here. They weren't in any special packaging. Get the case out. Here's what the case looks like. To me, this looks like a knockoff Samsung Galaxy earbuds case. Has a nice clicking sound. Here is one of the earbuds. This is the left earbud. Here is the right earbud. Let's see how well they fit in the case. This one is left one. Here's the right one. Close it. And I will come back when they are fully charged. I'm back, and now it's at 3. It was at 4. I just took it off the charger. I guess I didn't charge it long enough. One thing I forgot to mention before was it is a micro USB cable that it came with. Where is it? There it is. It was a micro USB cable. It wasn't USB-C. Here's what they look like inside the case. To pair them, you take them out of the case. They will flash blue. The backs will flash blue. You go to your phone's Bluetooth settings. You look in the available devices and you will see it is called BT980. That must be the model number, as it says it on the side of the box over here on the top. Then you press and it'll pair. You select or you accept the pairing request, and now they are connected. Now I will take a short break to test the sound quality, and I will be back on my thoughts and my final review. Now that I've tested these, I can say that I'm truly surprised on how well these performed for the quality and price that they were at. The bass was pretty good in these. These also have touch controls. If you press once on either one, it pauses the music, but if you press twice on the left earbud, it skips to the next song. One thing I can say is I can recommend these to anybody who is looking for cheap wireless earbuds. You don't need to go to full volume on these. I went to like 50% or 75% at the most. Even if you do go to 100%, it's not washed out. The music doesn't sound washed out at all. And this is actually a pill-shaped case. For my other earbuds, they're also a pill-shaped box, but these are actually quite smaller. The new ones are more stubbier looking, and these don't have the long part sticking out. With these have the pencil style looking ones. Yeah, like I said, I can recommend these to anybody who's looking for like a first pair, or who's looking for like an extra pair to take somewhere or leave somewhere. And that is the unboxing and review of the Sentry True Wireless earbuds. That's going to be the end of this video. If you guys liked it, hit the like button. Subscribe if you want more unboxing videos on my channel. Alright guys, cheers.